Hello everyone, my name is Rishi and I'm from the ZAC team. And today I have a great deal for you for this newly renovated unit tucked in the middle of Damansara Kim. Welcome to this two-story terrace link house in Damansara Kim. It's a freehold property that comes with a 3+1 bedroom with 3 bathrooms. The land size is around 22 by 70, whereas the built-up is 2,000 square feet. So this house comes with 2 automated gates, so it will be comfortable for you to drive in and out. And the porch, you can easily park maybe 2 to 3 cars or maybe even more. Once you enter the house, you'll be invited to split down steps towards the living hall. Yes, this unit is a split level property where as a buyer you have a choice to actually add on more flooring or leave it as it is. So as you can see, that the living hall is spacious enough to maybe fit in a 4-seater L-shaped kind of sofa. So this is the formal dining area where you have enough space to actually accommodate a 6-seater dining table and chairs for your family or friends. So if you're worried about safety, you may always install these small banisters right here or railing to avoid any hazards from happening. So let's head on to the kitchen area. So as you come from the dining hall, there'll be an empty space here, and this particular corner you may make it as your workstation area, and this area here you can make it as your dry kitchen area. So heading to the wet kitchen, as you can see, it's fully extended to the back, and the owner actually has changed the flooring to new tiles with fixed-in cabinets with ample worktop space to do your heavy cooking. And then, the next to the wet kitchen is the nicely done up washing area. Right now we are on the upper floor where we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So as you can see, the owner has actually changed the flooring to new wooden laminate flooring. Here we are in the master bedroom, the best part of the house. Why? It's so spacious that you can actually fit in a king-size bed right here and still have ample amount of space to go crazy on. As for the bathroom and all the other bathrooms in the house, it is renovated with tiled walls with a touch of modern feels. The master bedroom also comes with an extra space of room where you can actually make it into your walk-in wardrobe, or if you think it's a bit too big for you, you can always add an extra wall right here. Bring down this particular wall and make this as a small family hall as you come upstairs. As a buyer, security will be my main concern when it comes to buying my future home. This particular jalan in Damansara Kim has 2 entrances and exits, which is also gated and guarded 24 hours. I'm only 15 minutes walk away from my favourite makan-makan spot. There are 2 kopitiam located in this strategic location and a few grocery and fruit stalls as well. Not forgetting, this location does come with a few bakeries too. Besides these nearby amenities that you're close to, there are a few shopping malls nearby such as the Starling Mall and the 3 Damansara Mall, which will have access to Jaya Grocers or Oliver Gourmet. Also, if you are someone who loves to jog or exercise, the park is only 5 minutes walk away from the unit. Well, we've finally come to the end of this newly renovated double-story terrace link house in Damansara Kim. So what do you think about this house, guys? So if you have any questions and you want to know more, you can always call me and I'm always happy to show you around. Till then, my name is Rishi and I'm from the ZAC team.